wellness tips sagot yan ng ating resident doctor, Dr. Joel Lopez. Because your health matters.
True or false? You only need sunlight in the morning to make enough vitamin D for the day. Pag-isipan niyong mabuti. Ano, sirit na? The answer is false. While your morning sunlight supports your body clock, optimal vitamin D usually requires mid-morning to midday exposure, especially for darker skin types. Ibig sabihin, vitamin D is produced in the skin when UVB rays from the sun interacts with something called 7-dehydrocholesterol in the skin. Mas malakas ang UVB light tuwing tanghali when the sun is directly overhead. And that means more vitamin D is synthesized in less time and lower risk of overexposure because shorter duration is needed. Darker individuals have more melanin. Ang melanin ay nagbablock ng UVB rays. Kaya ang mga darker skin individuals, they require 3 to 4 times more sun exposure compared dun sa mapuputi ang balat. Mahalaga ang vitamin D sa ating katawan dahil nakakatulong ito sa bone health and immune system, pati na din sa fertility. Kaya mahalaga na tayo ay magpa-araw. Pwede kayong mag-take ng mga food supplements na mataas sa D3, K2, and magnesium. Laging tatandaan, magpakonsulta lamang sa mga eksperto tungkol sa inyong kalusugan. I'm Dr. Joel Lopez. Follow for more holistic health trivia dahil your health matters.